Hi everyone! Good day! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to get free dice in Monopoly Go. First things first, open up your Monopoly Go app. Once here, the first step to get a free dice is when you are a new player. A new player gets to connect an app to a certain account information. To do just that, tap on Friend that can be located on the bottom right of your screen. Once here, you can see that there is a free 30 dice sign under the contacts. It means that if you connect your phone number or contacts, you will be able to receive a free 30 dice. Second tip is the most common for every player. It is known that every 5 minutes, a player will be able to receive a free die up to 30 dice. So, we really highly recommend checking your Monopoly Go app whenever you have free time. Every 1 hour to be specific. Third tip is when you have a full shield and you happen to collect another. It will then give you a free die plus the rewards that you are able to get. Fourth tip is to never get tired of upgrading your town. Upgrading your town will not just give you a bunch of rewards, but will also increase your net worth. Increasing your net worth means a bunch of free dice. Last tip is the easiest one. You will just have to invite your friend to play Monopoly with you. Once they have played, you can earn your free dice. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you. And that's it. You can now get free dice in Monopoly Go. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.